Hi Danielle, this is my Oreo cookie for your mini assignment number 3, 5 new technologies. I just want to first start off, I was very excited when I saw that I also chose Classcraft. I teach 6th grade math, and I know in your video you said you taught kindergarten, but I definitely can see advantages, even as young as kindergarten, to introducing gamification in the classrooms, especially for some of those students that are a little less motivated in the traditional classroom setting. So I thought you were kind of thinking outside of the box, thinking as young as kindergarten for Classcraft. So great job there. One thing in some of your videos, I thought maybe you could have gone into a little bit more detail. So with Classcraft, you went through the demo class, but I would have liked to see you use some of the time in your video to set up a class and add students, that kind of thing. And then finally, I like that you picked ChatterPix. My son, when he was in 2nd grade, actually made some videos in that and really liked it. And it actually got me thinking in my 6th grade classroom. Sometimes I have them record videos explaining how to do something, and I thought maybe that might be a fun option, if they wanted to use ChatterPix to use their explanation to help them make their video instead of just, recording themselves talking. I thought they might get kind of a kick out of that. I'm not sure if they would think it was too immature or not, but I think the majority of them would get a kick out of it. So I was glad that you mentioned that. So great job. Thank you.